It's time to fertilize our plants. Find the nutrients weekly dosage for your Farmstand by visiting the Let Us Grow app or scanning the QR code on the back of the nutrient bags. We'll be dissolving the nutrients before adding them to the tank, so have 2 lidded cups and some warm water ready to go. For the initial Farmstand dose, or after a reset, we will add 4 tablespoons of nutrient A to one of the cups and 4 tablespoons of nutrient B to the other cup. Add the warm water and correct nutrient dosing to 2 cups, one with nutrient A and one with nutrient B. Screw on the lids and gently shake until the nutrients have fully dissolved. Pour the nutrient mixture into the Farmstand tank. Don't forget to add more water to the tank until it reaches a few inches below the tank opening before moving on to the next step.